Yes, 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 yes. Right now, nation people, a beer war in the air. I don't know if you don't see it. Silk Boss on the attack again. This time the man put out cover art and I talk about Trashy and put Jahshii in one of them sprinter track suit there. Oh fuck man. But wait, look a bit now man. Make us sound the big thing first and see what I go on. Of the world, it's not a plan. So watch what I go on, you know. Carefully, you know, nation people. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know where it go already. When we come for represent, full effecting man. You don't know where it go. When we load up, aim on, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now man. Are the people's champion. Oh yeah. Hey, yo. A Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It look like say Silk Boss now go stop until Jahshii really confront him. Yeah. I like what Silk Boss do. I'm not gonna lie on about it. So in spite of all what Jahshii want to talk yesterday, Silk Boss show him say him not depend on the lollipop thing there. And now go back to thing the man a deal with. I give him credit. But right now to the way the man attack Jahshii, him can't do nothing more than answer the man right about now. Because the man not in enough form of game sting. The man done with all of them games thing there. All of them skinning up at each ramping business there and jeering business. Silk Boss done with it, my brother. A serious thing Silk Boss are dealing with right now. You see what I say? Yeah man. So right about now a lone bullet Silk Boss are dealing with. So right now Jahshii, I don't know any because yesterday they're on Terror Than Life and you say some things. Right now, you know, Silk Boss not agree with that now, my brother. A war thing Silk Boss a deal with, you know, Jahshii. So right about now, you know, I don't know the whole of the vlogger them are going to run out wicked, you know. Right now, I drop that video here and I not hear the song yet, you know, because the man said give me 6,000 and let me drop it. I'm not going to wait till the song drop before me sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. So right about now, Jahshii, it look like say the waiting game thing the way I deal with over, you know. The Jam World waiting business, the Silk Boss not there on it. No joke thing not there about it. And now Silk Boss are dealing. So right now they know the people them can't wait for the confrontation. The whole dancehall universe line up and wait. You them are wait for the Jahshii. Silk Boss fire already, you know. You see what I say? Silk Boss now nothing with Dan Pre, you know. I use Silk Boss a fling bullet pan, you know, my brother. And it's rightfully so. Because here what? I never done pray I trouble him. I never done pray I jeer him. I did you. So you can't jeer him right now. And then it look like an idea hide from him. You can't jeer him and then when him attack, you send out Dan pray for war him. No gimmicks thing not dead about him. The reason why you jeer him, or why you have him soft, what I'm going to show you say him is a hard nut right now. So here what you going to do. You have to go deal with this thing once and for all. You see what I say? This thing can't hide no more. Silk Boss come out. And then a new song again. Wicked cover art. Trashy. And put you in a track and field suit. With spikes. I say, well then you're a sprinter. No, Jahshii man. No. Silk Boss a plan a coup. Right now I'm ready for overthrow people. I don't know gimmicks this is not dead about it. So right about now I don't know how you look on it. But that thing the way you talk about December 26 Sting Jam World. Silk Boss now wait one fuck on that. And now Silk Boss a plan for bus shot from people. So Jahshii, right now it look like, you know, to the rate of how things are going. And you know say nothing. Right now the people them say it look like you have to approach Silk Boss with caution. Because it look like him armed and dangerous. You know what I mean? So you don't know by now in the morning, you know. If the song drop, you know. You know what time it is on the internet, you know. Silk Boss name gone trending again, you know. No joke thing that about it, you know. And you make him build up too much strength right about now. I don't know if you're okay with that. But let's see when that song you drop, what kind of explosion it having on the street. And see what kind of impact it have on you and dropping a song. Because I'm chat a bag of thing in my first song, you know. I just say that no move you. So we're gonna see what go on in that song here. If that one you're gonna move you or you're gonna talk the same thing. Because you can't come with the same thing to the people, you know. I think them are gonna tired of that. And to the rate of how Silk Boss move, right now, I want the people them want. Them can't wait, Jahshii. And Silk Boss now wait neither. Dan pray I go find somebody else to clash. Because right now Silk Boss I say you're up him one. You see what I say? Say him want flick your rap back. So Jahshii, right now, the whole dancehall universe, I you them a pray. Your name can't come out of trending here. Pumbaras Cloud. From the first this song with the panty overhead to Sunfest and look up. Me yes say some of your party them box down intense party them. It's alleged that's when me hear man tip on them to a fast back arm in a man face. A man a picture dirty and be a look toss up and be a look all up on them thing they are going round a backstage. Immediately as that cool long, Silk Boss pan the attack again. New cover art, Trashy in a tracksuit, spikes, 100 meters sprinting. Yo, I don't know how much of that you can take, my brother, how much of that you want to take. I don't know if that seems okay to you. But let's see, when Silk Boss drop that one here, how the street take it on, and where the street have to say. Because I can't say, Silk Boss have moved the lollipop here. Right now, it look like him ready for you. No joke thing that about it. There's no cool off no day in him game. No cool off until December Sting. No in a Silk Boss game. Jahshii, right now, my thing, going to the studio go fix up necessary equipment and sound the big thing they make the people them hear, my brother. Because the people them are wait too long for this thing here. And them think December they too far. You see what I say? Right now, I think your uncle make Silk Boss gain a lot of strength. And if you don't answer, your uncle go send Silk Boss on top, my brother. Now give me thing not dead about it. I saw it look to me. Because him not stop and him not take what you are say. Him not wait till sting. You see what I say? I know him ready for fire shot. You see what I say? And here what I go right about now. This when you wake up tomorrow morning, you see the boss drop that song here, you are going to see the reaction of the vlogger them on the internet. It will go flood the internet. You see what I say? Yeah, because Silk Boss non-stop attack. A 10 star, you know? The general I represent. What? A Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. What?